Hello everyone, Alex makes robots and we continue with robotic arm Parol6. So today I'm going to install main board connected to power, buttons, fan and all of these cables we have going from robotic arm. Thanks for watching and let's go! So we have a board, we have drivers, let's install them. They say that these pins should watch this direction here. The same two pins going this way, this direction. So first of all, I hadn't installed drivers first because they will not allow you to install normally mainboard, and it's better to test source code without them because you can burn them out and you will not know, for instance, if you have some bad drivers. But here I didn't think about this. So you installing drivers, and I'm showing here which way should be pointed special. There are two additional legs and they pointed to special direction that you can find in document. So then I'm trying to install some pipes, some connectors doesn't allow me that, and after I install it I understood that I can't install fan here. So fan installed on three points and third point is under the board. So then I will unscrew it again. Yeah, found mistake. Okay, then connecting fan. Also first I bought fan with 4 pins, had to replace it. So here we installing in 3 points. I don't understand why there are no force hole in this base. We can easily install on 4. Then we should cut this. And then this cable didn't allow me to put main board, so it was very tough. Connected fan. Also it's hard to find which side to connect fan, so you have to Google sides. There are power next to the edge. So here, next part, we go next to the soldering iron and we will set up power cable. So first we will have one long cable that came to the box itself, and then inside we will have additional cable that came to the board. Yeah, it will take some time. So now I'm connecting pipes to the gripper. Then I'm trimming cables. I didn't trim them like too much because I don't know if I will want to pull them back for some reason. And here I'm connecting power button. So with power buttons there are one bad thing with document. It wasn't clear like how exactly it should be connected. And also with power cable, also there are mistake in the document. It looks like different way. Flat part on document going towards card, and in real card it's toward edge. And also I didn't know that, so I will try to give power. So right now. $400 question, 500. If I connected everything fine. 1, 2, 3, go. So nothing happened because first you have to program this card, or you have to add additional 3 volts to it. So here one more part. I work with tension of belts. So there are additional bearings you can install. They should be on outer side. And there are several points where you can attach them. So you can attach 1, 2, so it's quite agile. Couple more bearings for tension. Here I connected 2 bolts that I hadn't connect. I will remove them. And here we have to connect additional pulley and additional belt. It didn't go very smooth. So here I had problem with belt. So when I tried to connect it with belt attached, it didn't want to go. So I tried several times, and then I just removed belt, attached it, and tried to just put it back. So here I'm attaching all cables together. It's not ideal variant with just electric tape, and closing lid. So closing lids, it's the last part with the main robotic arm, and it didn't go well, so I had to change bolts for bigger one. So installing drivers for ST-Link. Here it is. ST-Link connected to the board, and board connected with USB. Not sure why. So today we installed main board. Next time we will program it, and we trimmed cables. I plan to install them, but it will take too much time. And this part already finished. It doesn't look like super well, but yeah, for the first time it's good. And next time we are going to wire cables, we will program this board, and probably that's it. Yeah, I believe. Okay, thanks, bye.